welcome back. We're doing another snack try video, but we have a special guest. Introduce yourself.
I didn't know how to introduce myself. I guess I'm your brother, Kanye. Go by Ye. You know, nothing too crazy.
So this snack box is from Universal Yums. You know, I have the monthly subscription. This is from Ukraine. So do you want to open it or you want me to open it? So once again, this comes with a little book, little grading chart thing. It tells you everything that's in here, plus a few extra things. So this is what the box is looking like so far. Okay, so first we have this Yum bag. It says it's soft candy with a bubblegum flavor. It looks like this. I don't really like bubblegum flavors.
It just smells like. I ate the whole thing.
No, just like that. What's it taste like?
I don't know.
Tastes like bubblegum. Mine does.
Nah. It's like, but it's like banana Laffy Taffy.
So 1 to 10 rated.
3 out of 10.
I give mine like a 2.5. So next we have the Trisitron glazed sweets, and it says it's chocolatey bites with creamy lemon filling. I already know I'm not a citrus girl. If you like lemon, this would be good for you.
0 out of 10.
Oh, okay. I give it a 2. What don't you like about it?
That's just not 2 flavors. That should be in 1. I don't think chocolate and lemon go together.
Right. We have the Bonnie Fruit Sonic, and it's fruit jellies with pear, apricot, and more. So I think he would like this because he likes gummy snacks. Do you think you'll like it?
If it tastes like fruit.
That's not too bad. I think I got the pear.
I thought I had the pear. You might have an apricot.
I thought you had an apple.
That's a flavor?
Yeah. Well, I give it a 7.
I'll probably rate that like a 7 or 8.
Only because I got sensitive teeth. If I didn't have sensitive teeth, I'd probably rate it higher. You want another one? So this is the Delicia rolls with baked milk flavor. It might give like tres leches. Maybe. I don't know. But this looks like the you know the little rolls that grandma used to buy? Yeah. I don't know what those are called, but this looks like that. And I like those. So.
Why it look like it's hairy?
What?
It's like shredded wheat. This is what it looks like. It's just giving shredded wheat. Yeah, this tastes like those little, I don't know what they're called, but they taste like they look just like this, and they come in like a tin can, cylinder tin can, and they have like different fillings. They have like chocolate, vanilla, sometimes strawberry. I like it. I just like an 8.
I'd probably give it like a 7.5. At first it tastes like a golden Oreo, and then it goes like a cupcake. It's a little too sweet.
I can see that. But it's not bad. I would eat this. This is the Roshan Bubble Caramel Chocolate. It's an aerated caramel and white chocolate bar. I didn't know it was white chocolate. But it might be good. Like that, those little things from Spain. That was caramel and white chocolate too. This is what it looks like. It's already starting to melt. It's white chocolate and caramel. It's real sweet.
It dissolves, like it disappeared.
I like it though. It's really sweet.
It dissolved.
It's aerated. I give that a 8.
It's like a 6.
Does it dissolve?
It's just chocolate.
And caramel. So last on our list, we have the Hollis Big Bar. And it's 11-layer dark chocolate and almond wafer. I don't know if it's gonna be my vibes.
11, is it 11 layers of different things?
I think it's just like chocolate, almond, chocolate. That's what it looks like. Okay. Oh, this is what it looks like. This the yeah. So it's chocolate, wafer, almond, chocolate, wafer, almond. Does it smell good?
Smells like something you would dip in coffee. So that's like already deduction of points for me.
Oh. I don't like it. That's like a 1.
I could that 3. The other one was bad.
Everything else in this box is the extra stuff that they gave me. Try first. It's a little pie.
I already know I'm not gonna like that. That's why I picked it.
I figured. Stada with black currant. I don't know what any of that stuff is, but it looks like a little pie with like blueberries or something. So it is a little pie.
Sounds like a fig Newton. I ain't never ate a fig Newton 100% of my life.
You have to get some with the filling when you bite it.
I'm on this side. Oh, God. Worst one on the list.
It wasn't that bad to me. It tastes like a Pop-Tart. You don't really be eating the fruit Pop-Tarts.
Unless it's strawberry heated up on 18 seconds.
But that's
with
new.
2 Pop-Tarts.
That's new.
Not 18 seconds, 16 seconds.
That's new. He didn't ever eat fruit, freaking Pop-Tarts or
brown
toaster
sugar,
shoes.
cinnamon Pop-Tart, or nothing. Or s'mores. The ones is, they can stay in the store.
Yeah, I'll give that a 4. I just didn't like all that bread.
I'll give that a 2. What it is, if your loved ones are ocean, I'm having up the bread.
So we have these homemade bread chips with adjica, and they're rye wheat bread chips. The bag that you get at Potbelly's with the cookies. Bread chips. Okay, this is what it looks like. It looks like the bread chips that you get in the Chex Mix bag. That's what it looks like. It's pretty good. I like that. I give that a 7.
5.
You don't like it?
It's too crunchy. It's everywhere in my
You're sick.
everywhere in my mouth.
We have this sponge cake and condensed milk. This might give tres leches. Do you think you're gonna like this?
What's the flavor say?
Nothing.
But, I mean, it just depends how sweet it is.
It smells like nail polish remover.
What?
Literally smells like nail polish remover. Doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
It literally smells like nail polish remover.
If this wasn't a video, I promise I wouldn't eat this because it doesn't smell like it should be eaten.
Let me look at the ingredients.
Tres leches is milk that sits on cake. So they shipped it to us, and it was been sitting for months.
No.
So this is expired milk on a cake.
No.
Package it up.
No. They use preservatives to make it be okay. Yep, no acid in here, but it definitely smells like nail polish remover. Okay, I'm just gonna take a small bite just based off of how it smells. Are you ready? It tastes like how nail polish remover smells.
Hold on. You speaking?
0.
I think it's probably like, it's a 2. It wasn't that nasty, but the smell just made it taste like
Nail polish
what
remover.
it smelled like it was just bad.
Ugh.
Probably not for American consumption.
Okay, so this is the Choco Shocks. It's chocolatey covered wafer bar with cookie crumbs. So it looks like an Oreo wafer bar. Okay. That's calm. 6.
5, just chocolate. Chocolate with like
Oreo filling. Last but not least, we have golden chips, and it's potato snacks with wasabi. I hope it's good and not like super overpowering.
Oh no.
You break it in half. This is what it looks like. Does it smell spicy?
At first it was, I got a little hint of spice, but at the same time it was just like a little tangy.
It's giving like Pringle flavor on the front, but nothing on the back. Ready? You have to put the flavor side on your tongue. 3. Oh, that's hot.
I didn't even eat it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I don't want it.
Oh, that was not the best.
Zero out of 10. Worst one yet.
Yeah, that gave like horseradish. I don't like horseradish. What was your favorite and your least favorite?
My favorite is probably the little fruit juice. Yeah. This one was very nasty. The one that looked like a pie, I'm gonna say that's second to last. And then the wasabi chip is last. That joint is disgusting.
Yeah, I think I'd have to agree. Actually, no. This was last for me. And then the wasabi chip. Wasabi is second to last. This is last for me. And then the these are number 1. Any final words?
Overall review of the Ukrainian box. 4 out of 10 overall review.
So F.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 out of 10. Wasn't that good. I hope the next box next month. I don't remember where they said that one's from, but I hope that one is better. But I do know that they said that the proceeds from this box are gonna go help the people in Ukraine. So I mean, that's a win for them. But I just think they should up their snacks just a bit.
Yeah, it just seems like they probably just eat chocolate all day based off what we got.
Yeah, but these chips, these were good. Oh, okay. Let them know where to find you.
My name Ye. My real name Kanye. My Instagram is Kanye. If you know how to spell it, then you find me. If you don't know how to spell it, you ain't gonna find me. Simple as that.
Right. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you later. Take us out.
Bang.